Anderson Day, and this is how to make an accessible show and hide using plain vanilla JavaScript. So JavaScript is a popular programming language that is client-side, that is used to make websites more interactive to the user. Something that you can see on many websites is show and hiding content when you click on it, so you can view more content or see something that doesn't seem to be there. But that causes some issues with accessibility. So most of the time, if you want to hide something from a web page, use CSS display none, but that creates problems for a screen reader, as the screen reader will think that nothing is there, and a non-visual user might miss some important content that they are trying to access from the web page. So how to do this accessibly is you need to make what you're trying to hide 1 pixel height by 1 pixel width, and that will hide it from a visual user. Obviously you can't see any of the paragraph tags, so this is accessible show and hide right now. But to a screen reader, they'll still be able to access that information because the screen reader still thinks it's on the page. Another problem that arises with accessibility with showing and hiding with links is that it is not keyboard navigable. But this example, it is keyboard navigable, and also this example, it will allow you to do more than one show and hide per page, which is nice because sometimes you will have more than one thing to click on and show and hide, and a selection of many items. So first, how we did this is you need to start out by making a link. So these H2s are currently links, and we have event listeners for JavaScript. So on key press and on click. So the most basic one would be on click. So you click the link and it shows and hides. So how we do that is, so this one, click for more info. It has a target number of 2. So the event listener on the click looks for the target of this link and passes it through my function. So my function passes target through. It gets the document or the element by ID through this right here, and then it adds div, which you see div 2, it adds the target number to the end of it by concatenating it. And so if the class list, so the class right here is 1 pixel by 1 pixel by 1 pixel, 1 pixel, the visual user can't see it, then on click it will replace it with target div show, which will make everything visible to the normal dimensions that you would set for your p tag throughout your CSS file. And then also it will close it, so if it is target div show, you remove it. So as you can see, it click, close, click, close. Now to be accessible, it also needs to be keyboard navigable. So you see now it's open. Now I can click enter, close, enter, on, open, enter, close, tab down to the next one, enter, 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 enter. That event listener is on key press, but it is not just an on key press, because that event listener will look for any sort of key press to open and close on it. So we have a special function for that, which is similar to the top function. But this function grabs the target number and the event, and if the event is key code number 13, which is your enter button, then it will run the function as if it was an on click, like above. So you see, shift tab, go up to the top one, enter, open, enter, close, tab, enter, close, open, enter, close. Um, if you'd like to see this example and code snippets from it, feel free to go to my code pen and accessible show and hide and check it out. Other than that, I hope this allows you to add more interactivities to your websites in an accessible manner that everyone can show and hide.